Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. Which of the following is an equation of a circle in the xy plane with center 2, -3 and a circumference of 20 pi? So we have the center of the circle 2, -3 and circumference of the circle that is 20 pi. We have to find the equation of the circle. Okay, when I go over the options here, I have the equation of circle in standard form. That is x negative h the whole square positive y negative k the whole square equals to r square. So this is the equation for circle in standard form. So in this equation, h comma k represents the center of the circle. Let me write it. And the r over here represents the radius of the circle. Okay, to get the equation for circle in standard form, I need the center h comma k and the radius r. The center is given in the question. That is 2, -3. So for h comma k, we can plug in 2, -3. That is for h, we can plug in 2, and for k, we can plug in -3. But still, we need the value of r, that is the radius of the circle. So the radius of the circle is not given in the question, but they are given the circumference of the circle, that is 20 pi. So let me write the stuff over here. Circumference of the circle is equal to 20 pi. So using the circumference, we can get the radius of the circle. We know the formula to get circumference of the circle, that is 2 times pi times r. So this is a formula to get circumference of the circle. So instead of the word circumference, we can write the formula 2 pi r equals to 20 pi. Now in this equation, I have to solve for r, which represents the radius of the circle. So for that, I have to divide both sides by 2 pi. Let me do it. So this 2 pi will cancel, pi and pi will cancel out. So 2 goes into 2 1 times and 2 goes into 20 10 times. So I'm getting r equals to 10. So that is the radius of the circle is 10. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to plug in these stuff, that is h comma k and the value of r into the equation of the equation of the circle in standard form. So let me write the equation of the circle in standard form. X negative, the value of h is the value of h is 2. So we can plug in 2 for h, positive the whole square over here, and y negative, the value of k is -3. So we can plug in -3 for k. Let me write it, the whole square equals to, and for r we know the value 10, so we can plug in 10 for r, then we get 10 square. So then I'm getting x negative to the whole square positive y. When I multiply this negative and negative, it becomes positive, y positive 3 to the whole square. So when I evaluate this 10 square, it's just 100. So this is the equation of the given circle in standard form, and we find this equation x minus 2 the whole square positive y positive 3 the whole square equals to 100 in option C. The correct answer choice for this question is option C.